everybody. Today I have been given the pleasure to unbox the new GameSir G7HE wired controller for Xbox One, Xbox One Series S, Xbox One Series X, everything in this little neat box. So as just looking off it from the start, we're given the controller right here on the front. On the back, just a little simple description on how everything works. I will be getting into that momentarily. And as well on the sides here, it's telling us that it's of course wired, plug and play. There's an audio jack, 3.5 millimeters, Hall effect sensing joysticks, and a detachable 3-meter USB-C cable. Also there's of course vibration, triggers, the sticks, and the mapping. Anyways, let's get right into it and let's check how everything looks. There's a little sticker right here. Simply remove this. Box opens. And here it is. GameSir Xbox One controller. Simply open it up from right here. You could already see there's the little 3-meter cable we just talked about. We'll just pull that up right here, put this aside, and then you see this right here. This is where the cable was. Put your hand in, pop it out, and just simply grab the Xbox controller. On the bottom as well, there's a little manual here which I will be reviewing, and I will show you everything that comes with it in a second. Alright guys, I have officially taken everything out the pack. Just to give you a simple reference of everything, I've also bought both of my controllers, my Xbox One controller and the Xbox Series S and X controller, which are both listed, by the way, for $60. This being listed for $45, even coming with the little back buttons, 3-meter cable. These don't come with cables all the time. Mouse trigger buttons, if you could listen. Mouse trigger buttons. There's a nice little white rubber here. Basically, if you sweat a lot, which I tend to do when I'm playing a certain game, if I'm getting heated, if I'm getting anxious and I really need to get into the game and I'm really in the mood, these things right here, even on the side right here of the controller and on the top of the controller, there's a rubber film that keeps everything nice and dandy, so your hands don't slip off. We also have the little power button here. You just simply hold it and it will turn on. Of course, the D-pad and the little white joystick on the top, or I'm sorry, the gray one. I really love the color. Gray and white going perfectly together. A 3.5 millimeter audio jack at the bottom. And again, I love the mouse triggers. These give us faster inputs compared to this. If you listen, just the normal Xbox button. These much quicker, much quieter. Everything just looks perfect about it. As well, I forgot to mention that this does come with the GameSir icon when you get the instruction manual. They even gift us an Xbox One Game Pass Ultimate code for one singular month, which is not just me getting it. Everybody that buys a controller will be getting it. We're listed for $45 for something of this beauty. The GameSir logo, this is if you want to stick this onto any console, anything. It is a sticker, as you can see. And then we are also given the instruction manual. If you of course need to look at it, you can check the page out, but you will not need to, because I will tell you everything you need to know here, which I have. But I truly do love the controller. I love everything about it. It feels slim, it feels nice. I love the game share button right here to take photos with, a little nice menu button. Everything feels nice. Even the original Xbox One controller joysticks, which gives you a bigger output so your finger doesn't slip off the joystick. Everything just looks and seems perfect. Even at the back here, 2 little extra buttons just in case you don't want to move your finger off these buttons. All you have to do is keep your back one over here and you get 2 extra free buttons. That's what I love about this. If you look at the original ones, they don't. And for $15 less than both of these, this comes at a better quality. Everything you can ask for in a controller is in this, which is the beauty of it. And of course the Xbox One Game Pass Ultimate, which is listed for $20 on Microsoft right now. So truly, I have to recommend this to you guys. Thank you guys so very much for watching. I highly recommend this controller, and you all have a phenomenal day.